What's up, SK? I'm Bailey Burbank.
And I'm Deshaun Keel.
We hope you had a great first day and a great start today.
With that being said, let's get into the news.
Take it away, Deshaun.
Attention, all students, get your SK gear out because tomorrow is the annual Welcome Back Assembly to get us all pumped for the new school year. The assembly will be held outside at the end of the day, so prepare for the bell schedule to be switched. It is absolutely crucial that you know which bus number you take home and know the location of the bus in the parking lot before you leave today. You can come and ask someone in the office to check for you at your lunchtime. Bus route numbers are on a small blackboard by the bus steps, and copy of the bus maps are posted in the commons.
Also, homecoming is early this year. Nominations are open at lunches for one guy and lady to represent your class in homecoming court. Court will be announced next week, so there isn't much time to nominate. You must bring your student ID. Hurry and get on it, South.
If you have ordered prom pictures, the ASB office is full of them, along with yearbooks, foreign exchange t-shirts, and sports and academic awards. Please pick up your items.
Switching to a high school with a large capacity can be hard, but please don't forget the rules of the hallways.
Making it to class on time is vital in high school. A large part of getting to class is traveling in the hallways between periods. To travel the halls as easily as possible, remember these few tips. While moving throughout the hall, stay on the right side. This allows hallway traffic to flow more easily. When standing in the commons, remember to stay off the walkway and on the side areas. The main staircase is very crowded during passing, so if possible, use the back staircase. It is located in the back corner by the math hall. Also, do not form groups in the halls. This increases clutter and the chance of being late greatly. Finally, be courteous to your peers and keep the hallways running smooth.
Keep the hallways flowing, South.
The annual meeting of the South Kitsap chapter of Oakland Raider Fan Club will meet in the Career Center during all lunches tomorrow. Miss Emerson, you can't miss it this year. And it's been made clear that no Chief of Bronco fans are allowed. Please stop by and share your silver and black pride. Interested in acting in this year's fall play, audition packets for Julius Caesar are available in Stage 1 during non-class time. Auditions will be Monday from 2:15 to 5. See Mrs. Emmons if you have questions.
Clubs are finally starting, and with that, Graphics Club will meet next Wednesday from 2 to 3:30 in room 178A.
Key Club makes their appearance as well on Wednesday, going every other Wednesday.
Everybody's Equality, which meets at 210 in room 341 on Thursday, begins today.
Last year's D&D officers, you must meet with Mr. Swagger ASAP. At the end of the month, D&D begins.
If your club would like to be in the parade of flags, please have a representative bring a sign with the club or activity name, along with the day, time, place you meet, and they will be included in Friday's assembly. This is an opportunity to make the students more aware of SK's available clubs.
Remember that giant Lobo Froyo sign you saw up at lunch? That's what we call the DECA store, which happens to reopen next Tuesday during all lunches. Start early to support your DECA students.
Also, DECA meetings start today and carry out every Thursday at 2:05 in room 261. Everyone interested is welcome.
Now rushing into the schedule of events. Come support your student athletes as they represent South proudly.
Before we leave, let's take a look at the sports results. All three volleyball teams won last night. Madison Margraf with 10 kills, Andrea Hardeloo serves 7 kills, Natalie Miller hits 6 kills and 3 blocks, and Anna Fall with 6 kills.
Great job, ladies, and way to represent South proudly.
Looks like our show is reaching the end zone.
Make sure to stay after the show to check out the bell schedule for our back-to-school assembly tomorrow.
As always, South, go Wolves.